Good evening, friends. My name is Pastor Francis Minor from Revival House, Oxford. I would want to bring some information due to the government advice of social distancing because of the coronavirus. We, as a church, we have decided to suspend our services, which we run during the week and on Sundays. And we want to inform you that we will not be having those services in our premises, but we will be coming to you live every Sunday from 11:30 a.m. until further notice. We would want to encourage you tonight that do not fear, the Lord is still on the throne. And remember, Psalm 91 and verses 1, the Bible says, "He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." So ours is to learn to the Lord and to call God at this particular time so that we can live not in fear, but live by faith, knowing that the Lord is our protection. So I would encourage you, fear not, the Lord is on your side. So join us coming Sunday from 11:30 and share our page with the rest of the family, the rest of the friends, so that we can share the word of the Lord together. Have a blessed evening. God bless you.